Hello friends, welcome to the training on Microsoft Azure. In the previous session, we have discussed how to create a user in Microsoft Azure using Microsoft Entra ID. In this session, we are going to talk about how to create a group using Microsoft Entra ID in Microsoft Azure. Let's get started. Access this portal menu. Go to the Microsoft Entra ID. Under Manage, select Groups. In the Overview tab, we have the New Group option. Let's click New Group. It allows us to select the group type. There are two options for the group type. One is security, other is Microsoft 365. The security allows us to manage user access for resources and permissions for resources in Azure and Microsoft services. For example, if you want to grant access to a resource group in Azure, you will use security group type. To control who can access an application in Azure, you will use security group type. The Microsoft 365 Security Group Options is designed for collaboration across Microsoft 365 apps. For example, Outlook, SharePoint, Teams, Planner. This allows to create collaboration tools automatically. Let's select the group type as security. Enter the group name, Azure Security Group Admin. I'm using the same description as in group name. Let's click Create. It will create the group. Let's access all groups. And we have our group created, Azure Security Group Admin.